Myself, Dr. M. Srinivasan, Associate Professor, Agricultural Microbiology. Here you can working for last 5 years. Now you can focusing on our very specification is Agricultural Microbiology. Agricultural Microbiology means you can what the way the microbes can helping of to improve the soil fertility, how to improve the farming. Nowadays you can have so many chemical residues in the farming. So how to that the way you can avoid the chemical fertilizer, you can introduce the organic fertilizer. So our main aim is, this laboratory's the main aim is how to produce the organic farming. So what the way the different type of biofertilizer may be used for. These biofertilizers are very eco-friendly. So there is no causes of the soil as well as the human. So another very important thing is our field in the agriculture microbiology, we can mainly focusing on the how to improve the farming facilities, how to improve our farmers' income. So that the way you can helping the farmers. So comparatively, the chemical biological based fertilizers, very important things in the form of improve the soil health. So that is very important, and main focusing on our parameters is, so mainly for high level of technician. So microbiology scientists, research is very important now. So you can all the research oriented microbes you can done here. So this is for our laboratory. Thank you for PGP College of Agricultural Science, Namakkal.